Software Overview. When you open NobelClinician software, this will be your home page. To the left side, it is possible to see a list of all patient files. Each have an icon which will represent if the patient file is stored locally, has been placed online, has been shared with someone else, or is shared with me. You may select the Stored Locally, Placed Online, or Shared with Me icon to see only those specific patient files. You may select Archived Patients to see patient files which have been archived by you. You may choose to review all orders. Simply select this icon and your orders will appear in view. Here you can follow up with the status of your ordered products. For example, if your ordered surgical template is still in production, or if the template has been shipped already. Under the My Practice icon, you will find the Scanner Calibration icon. Select this and all calibration sets appear in view. It is from this screen that you may select to create a new calibration set, to export an already created set, to import or set or delete a calibration set. These calibration sets will automatically be used when creating a 3D model of the radiographic guide in the planning module. Below the Nobel Biocare icon, you will find the News and Events icon, showing you information regarding these topics. In the News section, you can also find an online link to these training movies. Enter this link in an internet browser to access the movies online. From the home page, you may select to start with a new patient file or to open an existing patient file. If you haven't created a patient file before, the patient list on your screen will still be empty. Press New in the left upper corner to start a new patient file. How to create a treatment plan for a new patient is explained in detail in the section Complete Planning Process. Or, as we show here, select a patient file by left-clicking on a patient file and press Open to open an already created patient file. A medical record screen will appear. From here, it is possible to open the patient file in one of the following modules: Patient Information, 3D Planning, Products, Orders, or Communication Center. This information may also be selected using the icons on the far left sidebar. When patient information is selected, a screen will appear which may be filled out with the patient's information and contact details to the clinician's desire. Also, images like clinical pictures or X-ray images can be added and annotated here. All added pictures can be shown together with the 3D patient model during the 3D planning step in the specific workspace. From this screen, you may select the planning icon from the far left sidebar. All information in the patient information section is automatically saved. The Planning Overview window appears. If a new planning scenario needs to be created, press Add Planning Scenario. For example, you are treating an edentulous patient, and you have made an all-on-4 treatment plan for the upper jaw. Another planning scenario could be to plan 6 implants. In case a new treatment needs to be started, press Add New Treatment. For example, you have made a plan already for the patient's upper jaw, and now you start to create a plan for the patient's lower jaw. This is a new treatment. How to create a new planning scenario or treatment is shown in detail in the section Complete Planning Process. If you want to open a previously created treatment plan, as shown here, select the planning scenario you want to open and press Open Scenario. The patient planning is then loaded and appears in view. At the top of the screen, you may select from different tabs: Treatment, Prepare, Diagnose, Plan, and Finalize. Each of these tabs contain more selections and detailed information. In general, to complete a plan, you can just follow the 4 tabs: Prepare, Diagnose, Plan, and Finalize. The Prepare tab contains all functionalities to set up your patient data in the 3D scene. The Diagnose tab assists you during the diagnostic process with tools enabling you to make annotations and measurements. The Plan tab assists you with tools to plan implants and abutments and anchor pins if needed. The Finalize tab allows you to calculate a surgical template, to approve the plan, and to create a report. After approving a plan, you can order surgical and lab components online. Select Create Order in the Finalize tab of the 3D Planning module, or select the Order module icon in the far left sidebar. Then select the Create icon on the top. Automatically be created. Select the Communication Center icon on the far left sidebar. Then select the Report icon on the top. To support those team members who may not have NobelClinician software, it is possible to create a viewer file. Select the Viewer icon on the top. To communicate the treatment plan to the patient, it is also possible to create an interactive iPad presentation, which can be shown to the patient in the NobelClinician Communicator iPad app. When you are finished, you may then select the Office module icon on the far left sidebar. This will take you back to the beginning, the home page, with your patient file list. Continue first with the other movies in this section, Get Started. Afterwards, continue with all movies in Complete Planning Process to learn about all details on how to create a new treatment plan for your patient.